Tell me my edge is not giving right now. Tell me they not giving real hair. Tell me I don't look so cute right now. Tell me. We got another package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Y'all know where this is from. You already know where this is from. It is from the one and only UNICE. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This bag is super cute also. So freaking cute. And this is the box it comes in. So let's see what's inside of here. I'm excited. Goodie bag per usual. Pink UNICE nails. Pink UNICE melting band, stickers, UNICE stickers, and HD UNICE wig caps. Boom. But let's really get into the star of the show here. And this is Brazilian hair. This is Jerry Curly in 24 inches. And this is a 7x5. So this is what it's looking like out the box. Okay, the part looks really good. I can still see a few knots here in the front and in the back, but I mean, for the most part, that's all right. Lace is also pre-cut, which I love, and they pre-cut it like really good. Sometimes when they do pre-cut lace, they leave like a lot of lace still on the front so that you still have to go back and cut it anyways because it's still too much lace. But like this right here, that's a pretty good amount of lace where you could just put makeup on it and you don't have to really cut too much more off. And I also do believe that this is pre-plucked as well because it does look pre-plucked. And this is the length of the hair, 24 inches. Yes, this is the Jerry Curly bye-bye knots in 24 inches, 150 density. So let's get into this install. Flat, period. One thing I do love about these 7x5s is how deep the parting be. Like, I just love a 5-inch part, a 6-inch part. I just love deep parting. And then with it being also 7 inches wide, the parting is like all the way over here. Like, it's just a lot of space to do a lot. So this is about to be real cute, and I'm about to do hella baby hairs with this. Yeah, we about to give this hella baby hairs. This is about to be so cute. Just wait. All right, so the hair is hot combed. We about to wet this hair down real good, put some mousse in it, and brush through it really, really nicely. And before I do any of that, I think I'm gonna do my edges first, and I'll put some makeup on this lace because this lace is looking a little white and we don't want that. So she can pop a squat and that's a flip ball. Keep it city, see y'all niggas flip dog. Young nigga been I think they ain't the only one. And they gon' match his figure with some shorty. Now I want to do my edges. We'll pin this up just for a second and start pulling out where I want my baby hairs and how much I want. And I'm gonna do those, and then I'm going to wet the hair and everything. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed y'all. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. All right, and I'm just gonna start kind of like molding these the direction I want them to lay and everything. It looks crazy right now, but just wait a few minutes and see. A little bit of mousse. out, but just wait. One thing I do love about curly hair is I feel like doing the edges for curly hair is easier, and I feel like more dramatic more dramatic edges with curly hair looks more natural to me. Like it looks good with curly hair. I'm taking a little bit of this just to push this back. All right, so now what I'm about to do is start cutting these edges down. So right here, we don't need all that because we're going for like a natural kind of look. Y'all know how I be doing my edges if y'all seen my previous videos, and I do my edges like this in a lot of my videos. So subscribe and go look at those other videos as well. All right, y'all see what I'm saying? It's coming together real cute. Tea. That's tea. Like, that's giving. Tell me my edge is not giving right now. Tell me they not giving real hair. Tell me I don't look so cute right now. Tell me. Tea. All right, so as y'all can see, I went and just brushed through this side with some water. All I did was use this brush and literally water. I didn't put nothing on this hair. That's why I just love me some Jerry Curly, some curly hair, because it just looks so good with just water. Like, this really don't need nothing else on it. And this about to be my wig for the next few weeks. For real, for real. Well, actually, I say that about all my wigs, but like, I just really be falling in love with every install. This hair is just so pretty. Y'all know I love Jerry Curly anyway, so Jerry Curly, deep wave, I love it. I'm gonna put a little bit of like leave-in conditioner, like cream on this hair, even though I don't really need nothing because like the water is enough for this, but just to maybe help soften it some more, even though it's already soft. And let's do this other side real quick. So bomb, so bomb, so bomb, so bomb. It just looks so good. Like, be so for real. This looks so good. Oh. Quick and easy, okay? I'm telling y'all, no bleaching, no plucking. I could have bleached this because y'all know I like my knots to really be bleached for real, so I really could have bleached this some more, but it did come like, you know, partially pre-bleached, came pre-cut. I definitely didn't pluck anything, so I mean, you know what I mean? Like, it's just already done for you. Let me just touch up these baby hairs, even though I kind of like how they look, just like kind of like messy. That's really what I wanted, like not necessarily messy, but very like natural. They don't look like forced. That's what I wanted it to look like, and fluffy as well, because I feel like that definitely gives like natural baby hairs when it's like fluffy. So I'm not gonna mess with them too much. I'm just gonna sit here and let this hair dry, y'all. Even though I love the wet look, like this right here eats down. I love it. Eats down, you hear me? I'll put a little bit of this oil, just a little bit. The hair's already shiny, so they don't need like too much oil. And I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on the part, even though the part looks fine. Just a little bit of makeup. And see, like that just did a lot. All right, that's good for that. And now we're just gonna let this hair dry. Let's get into the baby hairs. Super natural. All right. And this is what it's giving, y'all. No glue, literally glueless. And yeah, it's natural baby hairs. Comes with an elastic band that I can put in the wig to help tighten it to my head, so there's really like no glue for this. And this is the hair I love, 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 love. Jerry curly. This texture right here, just every time I put this on, it just gives that girl. It literally just gives like, get into it. I literally love this wet look, y'all. Like, so the hair is still drying, but for the most part, it's like dry at the top at least. Like underneath is still like a little wet, and like in here is a little wet. But look how pretty this hair is drying. Like, let's get into it. Super, super, super duper cute. And I will be wearing my hair like this tomorrow because this just looks so freaking good. Like, yeah, in freaking love. Look how pretty the curls are. Okay, like bomb.com. I'm literally in love. Like, it's already drying pretty full for it to be about halfway dry, and the curl pattern, it's just so freaking pretty. Like, out of this world beautiful.